All my preppers, let's talk about the real emergency that no one's talking about. Waking up to no cream in your coffee. Coffee mate, no, that stuff is one molecule away from plastic. And unless you've got a cow in your backyard, fresh cream might not always be an option either, especially in a power outage or road trip, or let's be honest, just real life. So today we're putting powdered heavy cream to the test. Can it stand against fresh cream in a good old cup of coffee? Let's find out. I've got 2 identical cups of coffee right here, made from my favorite Folgers instant coffee. Don't scoff at all you coffee snobs. This is actually really good. And I myself, being from Seattle, am a coffee snob. Don't knock it till you try it. So we're gonna compare fresh heavy whipping cream to heavy cream powder. So to make this, we're gonna combine 2 parts water to 1 part heavy cream powder. So I've got an 1/8 cup mix here. I'm gonna add 1/8 cup of heavy whipped cream powder and 1/4 cup of water. So you just gotta stir this around and let it sit for a couple minutes and it will turn creamy. If you start using it immediately, it's still kind of clumpy, same as the eggs. So if you let it sit in the water for a couple minutes, it will turn creamy. Just give it a couple minutes. Once your heavy cream is turned into a nice milky liquid, now for accuracy purposes, I'm gonna add 1/8 cup of my heavy cream to this coffee and 1/8 cup of the fresh heavy cream. So if you can see the difference, the heavy cream is definitely still smoother and the powdered heavy cream is a little bit more clumpy. So we're gonna stir it all together. Okay, something I was not expecting. You saw I added 1/8 cup of each to it. However, look at the color difference. The fresh heavy cream is way lighter than the powdered heavy cream, which is very odd to me. I don't know why that is. And if anything, the heavy cream was a little bit thicker. So I thought the heavy cream powder was gonna be lighter. I don't know. It's substantial difference. Now, the moment of truth, the taste test. We're gonna start with the heavy cream powder and give it a go. Okay, honestly, that's actually pretty good. Creamy. I can't taste the ting of like the powdered milk that I can in the powdered milk. Maybe it's from the heat, but this is actually really good. Now compare it to the fresh heavy cream. Obviously this is substantially creamier, smooth, rich, creamy, luxurious, but honestly, this one is not half bad. I mean, this 10 out of 10, but this solid 7-8. And for the shelf life of it, A+. It's got no weird aftertaste and definitely better than the Coffee Mate. So if you like the taste of Coffee Mate, you might want to check out the ingredients because it's not good for you. But this heavy cream powder, the ingredients, sweet cream solids. I mean, you can't get much better than that. It's the same thing, it's just dehydrated. So this, a solid 8. Well, of course, the tried and true cream, a solid 10. But for having this shelf stable and ready on hand at any time, I mean, this doesn't expire till 2027. That's a really great prep to have on hand for cream, for baking, for anything. Okay, final verdict. Fresh cream still wins in flavor, but powdered heavy cream is the unsung hero of emergency prep. It's a solid backup for travel, camping, hotel mornings, or just when you forgot to grocery shop again. It's your go-to pantry hero. So if you're building a no-fridge pantry or prepping for disasters or just crazy Mondays, grab some powdered heavy cream. Because even in the apocalypse, we deserve a good coffee. Now, check out more shelf-stable swaps and hacks at loadedpotato.org and follow me for more emergency-proof pantry magic. Your future self will thank you with caffeine. Till next time.